Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is a 2016 Ford F150. Stock number is 7115. On your virtual video walkaround, we're going to show you the exterior and the interior, of course. This truck is equipped with an EcoBoost 3.5 liter V6 motor. It has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. We're going to take you and show you every aspect of this clean looking truck. It's a King Ranch edition, of course. And if you're looking for a truck, boy, I could actually see myself taking myself for a spin in this. Super clean. Let's take a look at the interior. It's got the King Ranch leather. Ample space in the rear for friends or family. Seats are up right now. You can throw your cargo in the back. All the controls are easy access within arm's length. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. It's the Sunset experience. You get more at Sunset Ford. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walkaround. For more information on this vehicle or other vehicles in our inventory, visit us online or come see it for yourself in person. Make it a great day. Take care.